Hello guys and very welcome to another monthly power update. I know it's a little late for that one because we are almost in the middle of October here. But anyway, here it is, and I have finally changed my panels here. I have removed the old ones and carried them up to the mountain, and the 10 new panels that I bought for 2 months are now installed on my roof, and the other ones are installed on top of the mountain here. So let's go up and take a look at that and take the numbers from there. And here they are, guys, and I have to say that I am really proud of it, because it was a really hard work to get all the panels up here and also building the frame to it. It took some hours, I can promise you that. But now, when it is up here, I know that I am going to catch every little sunshine that will come that day, and that feels really good. But however, I will give you the number for September. I think I have it here in my pocket somewhere. Here it is. And I bought 922 kilowatt hours in September. And for that I have to pay 808 crowns. And my system produced 1460 kilowatt hours, and for that I get paid 4428 crowns. And that is 300 öre per kilowatt hours, and I am very pleased with that number. So I really hope that I am able to buy my energy for around 100 öre and lower, of course, and see if that will be possible in the future. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this little power update for September. It's a little late, but finally here it is. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and for you who already have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. That means so much to me. And if you haven't done that already, just click that little button down below there, give me a thumbs up, and then you see me next time.